Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to inflate your tires with the right pressure and how to reset your TPMS signal. Here you can see I'm sitting inside the car, inside the Audi A3 or S3 Sportback, and you can see this LED sign, and you can see in the display you have some TPMS problems. TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system. That means you have not the right pressure inside your tires. This you can see on this light on. So let's head up to a gas station or petrol station, and we are going to inflate the right pressure. First step is have a look what rims are on your tires. Here it is. We have here 205/55 rims. That means we can open the driver's side door, and there is some information about our tires. 205/55 are 16 inches M plus S. That means these are the winter tires, and up here are 205/55 are 16 for the summer use. If you see your dimension of your tires, you can choose the right pressure. Front side is there, rear side is there, and on this information is the front side on the left side and the rear side on the right side. That means if you have a standard load, in this case 205/55 R16 winter rims, we have to get a pressure of 2.4 bar into the front side and 2.2 bar at the rear side in a lightweight situation. If you have a full weight situation with, for example, 5 passengers and a little bit of storage, then you have to inflate 2.6 bar in the front and 2.8 bar in the rear side. In PSI, this is AS38 front, 41 rear side. So let's start. We are going to use now 2.5 in the front and 2.5 in the rear, because I am not so lightweight and I'm traveling a little bit of goods in this car. That means we are not full loaded, but we are not the light side. That means we are in the medium range of these two setups. Okay, we will inflate 2.5 in the front tire. That means we have to remove the cap of the valve, then push the pressure system into position and get the energy into it. You can also use a manual pump for this. In this manual pump, you have to inflate it by pushing on the plus, on deflate if you're pushing on minus. So you can reach the 2.5 bar at the front side at the same like here. This is an automatic device what is stops at 2.5 bar. Now we are now getting into our information back. Here we have that was a front side with 2.5 bar, and the rear side is now 2.2 that you can program there at the machine and go to the back side. Okay, here we are. Let's inflate now the pressure you choose. I choose 2.5 bar 2 because of my medium load at the rear side. Do the same like before, and you have to think about if you do this at a low temperature like minus 10 degrees Celsius, you will inflate more if the temperature will rise up to 30 plus. Okay, that means do this inflate action every time if your rims or your tires are temperated in a standard way. So there it is, 2.5 bar inside. We have to continue this on the right side too, rear and front. After you finish this, have a seat at your driver's seat, and you can see there is still the lights on. There's still a tire pressure monitoring system problem. So let's head up to the multimeter interface at your center bar. Here we are. How to get into it? Go to main menu and navigate with the knob. It is rotatable and pushable. Okay, we have to push to select and rotate to go right and left. So now we are going navigate to car menu. There we are. Now we have service and maintenance. Let's go there. Good job. Now tire pressure. This is tire pressure, and now store the tire pressure at this time. Yes, we want to store it now. Good job. Now the tire pressure at this time is stored, and the LED will go off. Here we are. Now we have the right tire pressure stored in our vehicle's electronic device, and we can go back on the road again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.